This is your math lesson for Tuesday, March 31st. I hope to see several of you at 1:30 today for our Zoom. I hope it's going to work. If you guys can't get on, send me an email, let me know, and I will try and find something different. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the lesson page. All right, so we're going to be talking about measurement now. And today we're going to be doing customary, and it's just going to be length. So when it says customary, it's length that we already know about. But this is going, it's called converting measurement. So we're going to go, like, say, from foot to inches or inches to feet, okay? Miles to feet, miles to yard, all right? So the first thing is, today is just on length. Length, okay? So length, what does it mean? Okay? Length means to measure how long something is from end to end. From end to end, okay? So tools to use would be a ruler, a measuring tape, or a yardstick. Okay, now part of what we're doing for our measurement for 5th grade, we won't measure them exactly. What we'll do is they'll give us measurements and then we have to convert it. All right, which means that we're going to be doing math. Let me zoom in. Okay, so our units of measurement. And remember, this is all length. Okay? So we're going to start with 1 foot. Okay? That equals 12 inches. Okay? Now we have 1 yard. And that equals 3 feet. We have 1 mile, which equals 5,280 feet. Okay? And we also have 1 mile, which equals 1,760 yards. Okay? Now that we know that, what we're going to do is some math. Okay, so your homework today is going to be page 589 to 590. On page 589, you're going to be doing numbers 2 through 17. And then 590, you're going to be doing number 1 through 5. All right, these are all, if you're doing it online, they're all on the Google form. So you'll have to put the answers, okay? I will go through, but it is important that if you are putting the foot or the inches in there, okay, you put a space in between the number and your what length it is, what unit you're doing, okay? So I want to make sure that you guys write all this down. We're going to be doing another different type of unit of measurement tomorrow, okay? So remember, as you're doing your homework, you can pull this video up as many times as you want, okay? So we are going to be doing a couple of questions. All right. As you see, I'm pulling out your Go Math. So these are in your Go Math book. All right. So first question, we have 2 miles. And they want to know how much that would make. That would be in yards. Okay. So how we're going to set it up is we start with our 2 miles. 2 miles. And we're going to multiply. Okay. And just be like fractions, we're going to put the miles underneath. So we know that 1 mile has an amount of yards. Okay. And that amount was 1,760 yards. So right here, our miles are going to cross out. Okay. And now we have to multiply 2 times 1760. So 1,760 times 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 equals 3. Now, that is our answer, but it's not our complete answer because we have to add the yards. Now that is your complete answer. Okay? We're going to do another one. We have 6 yards. And they want us to find how many feet. Okay? So, we're going to set it up the same way we did the miles. We have 6 yards. And we know that 1 yard has 3 feet. Right? So we're going to cross out the yards because they cross each other out, which leaves us just with the feet. So that would be 6 times 3. And 6 times 3 is 18. Remember, that's not our final answer because we have to add our ending, which is feet. 18 feet is our answer. Okay? So we're going to do another one. They want us to go 90 inches equals how many feet in inches? Right away, you know that you're going to have some inches left over. Okay? So with this, we're going from a big number and we want to go to a small number. So when we're doing that, we know that we need to divide. So when we set up our problem, it'd be 9, oh, I don't like that color. 90 inches. And just like fractions, we're going to multiply, we know that there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So our inches are crossed out. So that'll be 90 divided by 12. Okay? So how many times can 12 go into 90? Let's start with, well, we know that 12 times 10 is 120. So we know that's too much. Okay? 9, 12 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry the 1. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 108. We know that's too much. So let's do 12 times 9. Or sorry, 12 times 8. Okay? 8 times 2, 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9.